With panoramic views of the lake, your dream home awaits you here in Richmond, Texas. Welcome to 25911 Palmdale Estate Drive. Let me show you around. We are excited to present this charming home which sits on a waterfront lot in the beautiful community of Canyon Lakes. Built in 2006, this 1,817 square foot home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by the open concept living, dining, and kitchen areas. The spacious living room has tall ceilings and views of the water and backyard oasis, making it the heart of the home. The gorgeous hardwood floors lead you to the updated kitchen with granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets, a breakfast nook, and bar stool seating at the breakfast bar. Off the entryway is a hallway that leads to 2 secondary bedrooms with tall ceilings, hardwood floors, and ceiling fans, and they share a guest bathroom with tile floors. The oversized primary bedroom has hardwood floors, tall ceilings with a ceiling fan, and features a sitting area with water views and leads to the immaculately remodeled primary bathroom. The luxurious finishes include new mosaic tile floor and ceramic tile in the shower, a freestanding tub, and marble accents throughout. The backyard has everything imaginable, from a 19 by 9 covered back patio to a separate barbecue deck and a sitting area overlooking the lake with 180-degree views. Canyon Lakes is conveniently located near popular shopping, dining, and provides you with easy access to locations via the West Park Tollway and the Grand Parkway. You'll really feel the sense of serenity here at 25911 Palmdale Estate Drive. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you to call home.